India deals with the deadly second wave of the pandemic, allies are stepping forward to help country deal with the crisis. The UK has now sent life-saving medical equipment to India, including ventilators and oxygen concentrators. This is the first shipment of urgent deliveries from the country. In total, 9 airline container loads of supplies, including 495 oxygen concentrators, 120 non-invasive ventilators and 20 manual ventilators will be sent to the country.
We're sending out an emergency shipment of over 600 items of equipment. They're ventilators, oxygen concentrators, and the aim is to provide the support that the Indians need at their hour of need, really, if judging by the distressing scenes we've seen in many of the hospitals in India. There'll be a series of other shipments. The first one goes out today, and we're in ongoing discussions with the Indian government about further things that they may or may not need.
And earlier on Sunday, UK PM Boris Johnson tweeted, "We stand side by side with India in the shared fight against COVID-19. He added, UK will continue to work closely with the Indian government during this difficult time, end quote. German Chancellor Angela Merkel has also extended support. Her government is preparing emergency aid for India. She has also expressed sympathy on the terrible suffering that COVID-19 has brought. And on Monday, German Foreign Minister, he said Germany will send oxygen and medical aid to India in the coming days to help it tackle its COVID-19 crisis. France has also said it will provide oxygen assistance to India. European Union has activated the EU Civil Protection Mechanism, which is an initiative to cooperate for disaster preparedness and response. And officials also said that Union is ready to provide urgently needed oxygen and medicine rapidly. And from EU, Denmark is also set to send support to India. Denmark's envoy to India, he told WION that country was working closely with India's Ministry of External Affairs to assist the country with whatever is required. He said, and I quote, "That's what friends are about," end quote. And this comes after Singapore became first country from which India procured essentials. India has procured 4 oxygen tanks from Singapore. The process starts a major initiative to procure more essentials like tanks, remdesivir and oxygen from countries across the globe. The cryogenic oxygen containers airlifted in an IAF C-17 aircraft from Changi Airport in Singapore arrived in India at Panagar Air Base in West Bengal. India will soon be procuring these essentials from UAE, Germany, France, Russia, the UK, EU, Australia, China. They've also offered their support. Meanwhile, Indian low-cost carrier SpiceJet on Saturday lifted 800 oxygen concentrators from Hong Kong to Delhi for emergency use in India. SpiceJet plans to bring more than 10,000 oxygen concentrators in the coming days from across the globe. WION now available in your country. Download the app and get all the news on the move.